Hello everyone, this is Kathy again. Right now I am in front of one company that's selling modern lighting. Its name is Aisibao. Now through the window, we can see most of the items are about clear, beautiful and simple lighting. Are you ready to go inside and find out more with me? Let's go. Hello.
Hello.
My name is Kathy. May I have your name?
My name is Jenny.
Hi, Jenny.
Hi, how are you?
I'm pretty good, thank you. Okay, so Jenny, would you please tell us something about your company?
Yes, sure. Aisibao. Our company brand name is Aisibao.
Okay.
Aisibao is the star brand of Hongkong Guzhen Lighting Company Limited.
It's from Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are in Jiangmen City.
Okay.
Factory address.
Okay.
Yeah.
The factory is in Jiangmen.
Yes.
Okay.
Since in 1987, we have the experience of home lighting more than 30 years.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're very professional in household lighting.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. We pursue simple and elegant design style.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Aisibao advocated elegant is from the beginning of product design.
Okay.
And the elegance of each product details.
Okay.
Finally return to the life.
Okay, that's very cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
It presents the unique, gentle and elegant brand idea.
Okay.
Okay, this is our introduction for our company.
Okay, thank you very much. So from Jenny's statement, I can see their items are basically focused on the simple and beautiful and clear, just like this one that happened to attract my sight. Okay, now let's take a good look. Okay, so Jenny, would you like to tell us something about that?
Yeah, sure. This item is our new design.
Okay.
We call the crystal magic cube.
Okay.
Yeah. The design inspiration comes from natural ice.
Okay, that's why it looks like a piece of ice.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. The elaborate design of hexagonal crystal structure.
Okay.
Light shadow and crystal combination to a wonderful sense of feeling.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So maybe I can just like you can put it above on your front desk, right?
Yes.
Like some bars.
Yeah.
Maybe I can put it onto the bars also, right?
Yeah, bar and the stairs.
Oh,
Stairs,
still. Okay,
yeah.
this is one series.
Yeah.
And this is another series. You can see with this hanging wire, we can put it on the stairs, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm wondering how tall is the light? How tall is that?
Our showroom is six meter.
Okay, so
Yeah,
from the
but
floor to the ceiling, it is 6 meters. So I guess this is.
Yeah.
How
But the
tall is it?
wire you can adjust by yourself.
Okay,
We
so
can produce per your request.
So if you want it, we can adjust the wire. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, that's really cool. Okay. Are there anything else?
And want to see this product
Yeah.
LED light source.
Yes.
Yeah. Low energy consumption.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it is really
high brightness.
Okay.
Softer.
So it saves
light
a lot of
color.
cost and eco-friendly.
Yeah,
Okay.
warm and comfortable.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cool.
The design is fashionable and novel.
Okay. So the color temperature can be changed. I don't want to.
You mean this color?
No, this one. The color temperature. The light.
Yeah. Sure.
It can change.
Yeah,
Right. Okay.
sure. Yeah.
So is there anything else?
This one can be suitable for stairs,
Yeah, for
Bar.
stairs. Okay.
bar, and the hotel lobby.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very famous with very popular. It should be said very popular with the famous designers.
Okay.
Okay,
I
this
can
all for this one.
Thank you so much. Okay, now let's keep on walking and find out more what's good about their lighting.
Yeah.
Okay, well, this one is really special. Yeah, okay. So,
Yeah.
wow, the sound is really clear. So I am guessing it's made from copper.
Yeah, copper material.
And this is
Natural crystal.
Natural crystal.
Yes.
Okay. So the wire is adjustable too, right?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
You can adjust by yourself.
That's really modern and simple and beautiful. I like it a lot. Okay, now let's find out. Okay, now let's keep on finding what's out there also. Okay.
Yeah.
And wow, Jenny, can you tell me something about this one?
Yeah, this one we call the material.
Oh.
Yeah, you can see the glass with the cloudy glass.
Okay.
Yeah. Craftsmanship blowing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The light through the hazy glass. We call it hazy glass.
Okay. So I can see you have do a lot of crafts on the glass to make it look special.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Actually, how many pieces of glass right here? How many pieces of this?
You mean this one?
Yeah. How many pieces? Maybe you can tell. Okay, sorry. Okay, just forget it. Okay. But I think this is really cool. I think the design is very different from other modern lighting. So I personally think this is okay. So do you think it's okay to put it in the living room?
Yeah, living room,
Or
bedroom.
Bedroom.
Yeah,
Okay. And maybe dining room?
dining room also you can put. Just stairs is also okay.
Okay, so they have this kind of design and they also have this kind of design,
Yes.
right? Okay. If you want more glasses, then I think, wow,
Yeah,
that's the one for you.
we have different color for this series.
Yeah, different
Yeah.
dimensions.
Silver color,
Oh,
gold color,
Okay.
and copper brush
okay.
finish.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. Okay. Maybe can I go in there?
Yeah, sure. This way, please.
Okay, watch out. So when we enter this area, I think these items basically are perfect for the bedroom. Yeah, bedroom. Wow. Wow, that's really fascinating.
This one?
Yeah, it just looks
Like a book.
Like a book.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. That's really cool. Maybe, do you think I can put it in the library?
Yes.
Cool.
Sure.
Or maybe I can
And
put it in the room.
dining room.
Dining room.
This one we have with the inductor.
Oh.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can adjust the light.
Okay. Maybe can you show us? Can you show us?
Sorry. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, with the inductor.
We don't have to switch on the switch. We just have to one sling. Let me try it.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now it's turned on.
Yeah.
Now
you're
it's
right.
turned on. Wow,
Yes.
that's really cool. Okay, I noticed they also have different colors.
Yeah.
Black
Black.
and
Black.
this
This color.
champagne gold.
Yeah. To
Okay.
finish.
That's really cool.
Yes.
Okay, so what's this?
Decoration.
It's
Just
a
for decoration, not
okay.
light.
Sorry,
Yeah.
and this is a table lamp.
Yeah. Table lamp.
Okay, I see. Okay, and would you like to show us about this area? Wow, you also have crystal lighting.
Yeah. K9 crystal.
K9 crystal,
Yes.
okay? And they also have different designs and dimension.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. After Jenny's instruction, I think I have learned a lot about the lighting. Aisibao is really specialized in modern lighting. If you are interested in it, you can like this video and leave your comments below. If you want to contact them, you can scan the QR code at the end of this video, and we'll have a personal consultant for you. And once again, thank you for watching. Thank you, Jenny.
Thank you, Cassie. Welcome to our Aisibao showroom.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.